The NuFACE Trinity Facial Trainer is an FDA-cleared microcurrent treatment attachment for the NuFACE Trinity. This video will show you the 15-minute treatment featuring advanced holds. Before you begin, charge the NuFACE Trinity device for a full 12 hours or 16 hours for the NuFACE Mini. Step 1. Prep. Cleanse the skin with an oil-free cleanser, removing any makeup, oils, and impurities, and apply the NuFACE Gel Primer to the left cheek area. Apply the gel in a mask-like layer so that the skin appears wet. Press the on-off button to power device on. Press the intensity control button until you reach the maximum level. Intensity can be adjusted for comfort at any time. Step 2. Lift. Place both spheres on position 1 and glide to the lower ear until the beep sounds. You will hear the audible treatment timer beep every 5 seconds. Move to position 2 and glide. Move to position 3 and glide. Return to position 1 and repeat the sequence 2 more times. Place both spheres on position 1 and lift and hold for 1 to 2 beeps. Move to position 2 and lift. Move to position 3 and lift. No need to repeat. Continuing at the jawline, place the spheres vertically and lift and hold for 1 to 2 beeps. Move to position 2 and lift. Move to position 3 and lift. No need to repeat. Moving to the cheekbone, place both spheres at position 1 under the cheekbone and lift and hold for 1 to 2 beeps. Move to position 2 and lift. Move to position 3 and lift. No need to repeat. Apply the gel primer above the left brow. Place both spheres on position 1 and slowly glide to your hairline until the beep sounds. Move to position 2 and glide. Move to position 3 and glide. Return to position 1 and repeat the sequence 2 more times. Place both spheres on position 1 and lift and hold for 1 to 2 beeps. Move to position 2 and lift. Move to position 3 and lift. Move to position 4 and lift. No need to repeat. Compare the treated side of the face to the untreated side and look for improvement in the brow, cheekbone, and jawline areas. Now apply the gel primer to the other side of the face and continue the treatment. Step 3. Finish. Power off the Trinity device and place on the charging cradle after every treatment. Remove the gel primer with a damp cloth and apply your favorite NuFACE serum or continue with your normal skincare routine. Use 15 minutes a day, 5 times a week for the first 60 days. After 60 days, use 2 to 3 times a week to maintain the results. For more NuFACE treatment tips, follow My NuFACE on social media or visit us at mynuface.com.